Welcome to the ultimate foldable showdown. Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 and the Vivo X Fold5, two powerhouse foldables pushing the boundaries of tech. The Z Fold7 dazzles with its cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a stunning 200MP main camera, while the Vivo X Fold5 boasts an impressive 6,000 mAh battery and an insanely bright 4,500 nits display peak. But which one truly dominates in display quality, camera prowess, battery life, and overall performance? Can the Vivo's massive battery and brightness outshine Samsung's refined hardware and camera versatility? And here's the kicker. Does a $1999 price tag justify the Z Fold7's premium features, or does the Vivo X Fold5's value-packed $990 price make it the real winner? Let's break it down. When it comes to the main camera, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7's standout feature is its massive 200MP wide lens, offering incredible detail and versatility, making it perfect for capturing stunning high-resolution shots. In contrast, the Vivo X Fold5 opts for three balanced 50-megapixel sensors, but none match the sheer resolution of Samsung's flagship lens. This makes the Z Fold7 the clear leader for photography enthusiasts craving top-tier image quality. Both foldables sport impressively large screens, but the Vivo X Fold5 slightly edges out with an 8.03-inch display compared to Samsung's 8.0 inches. This marginal difference gives Vivo a bit more real estate for immersive viewing, which could matter for media lovers and multitaskers. The Galaxy Z Fold7 runs on the blazing fast octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite with two cores clocked at 4.47 GHz, delivering peak performance for gaming and multitasking. Meanwhile, the Vivo X Fold5 Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 features a more traditional core setup with a top speed of 3.3 GHz. Samsung's higher clock speeds give it the edge in raw power. Here, the Vivo X Fold5 takes the crown with a sharper 2200 by 2480 pixel resolution, translating to a denser 413 ppi compared to Samsung's 1968 by 2184 pixels at 368 ppi. This means crisper visuals and finer detail on Vivo's screen, ideal for users who prioritize display clarity. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold7 is powered by the advanced Snapdragon 8 Elite built on a 3nm process, which enhances efficiency and performance. Vivo's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while powerful, uses a 4nm process. The smaller node in Samsung's chipset suggests better energy efficiency and future-proofing. Vivo's X Fold5 boasts a massive 6,000 mAh battery, significantly larger than Samsung's 4,400 mAh pack. This difference means Vivo users can expect much longer usage times, a critical factor for power users who rely on their foldables all day long. Samsung's Fold7 features a foldable dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a 2600 nits peak brightness, impressive but outshined by Vivo's foldable LTPO AMOLED screen hitting a staggering 4500 nits peak. Vivo's display also supports Dolby Vision, delivering superior HDR experiences in bright environments. Vivo X Fold5 doubles Samsung's selfie resolution with a 20-megapixel front camera compared to the Z Fold7's 10-megapixel sensor. For selfie lovers and video callers, Vivo offers sharper and more detailed front-facing shots. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold7 is rated IP48 for dust and water resistance and features an advanced armor aluminum frame plus stylus support, emphasizing durability and productivity. Vivo's X Fold5, however, boasts a higher IP58 IP59 Plus rating, allowing immersion up to 3 meters and protection against high-pressure water jets, making it tougher in extreme conditions. Both devices offer generous RAM and storage options up to 1 TB, but Samsung tops out with a 1 TB 16 GB RAM variant, while Vivo's highest RAM option is 16 GB with up to 1 TB storage as well. The difference here is minimal, catering well to power users on both sides. Samsung leads in video capabilities with 8K recording at 30 FPS and advanced slow motion options like 720 at 900 FPS, plus 10-bit HDR and HDR10 support. Vivo matches 8K at 30 FPS, but lags behind in frame rate options and HDR sophistication, making Samsung the go-to for videographers. Here's the shocker. The Vivo X Fold5 comes at nearly half the price of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, $990 versus $1,999. This dramatic price gap forces us to ask, does Samsung's premium justify the cost, or is Vivo the smarter buy?